we'll just wait and do some powder or dish soap bombs. Don't play. Oh, where? Probably from Halloween. I wouldn't be surprised if Halloween was right along here with Christmas. Thank you for the follows, you guys. You guys, thanks. It's really dusty. I don't think anybody ever bought this shit, to be fair. Oh shit, it's blowing right to their car too. Damn. All sales are final. Like our friendship final. Shit is dusty, y'all. Mama, Ash. Oh, that's not nice, Ash. Now, what if they really were, Ash? She tell you to go somewhere and get something done.
I'm not playing this no more.
If anybody sends for it, yeah. I have Roma, Foca, Ariel, and I have one more Hispanic laundry soap. It's rainbow in Spanish. I don't know how to say it. It's 6. Roma, Foca, Ariel. Yeah. Yes, but I don't know how to say it. So I try not to say it to not be disrespectful. Because I cannot pronounce it.
What? Yes, it still is.
We still have a dish soap and a Murphy's oil going in. Would anybody else like to add powders? The rainbow powder. Yeah, that's what I've been trying to say because I'm like, it's rainbow. But I don't want somebody to think, oh, I thought it was called rainbow. It is, but it's a Hispanic powder. I don't want... I have to be careful the way I say things on here. People like to try to be extra. Chat, do we want to add more powders in here? We have a bag of Foca. We have $4 Roma, $6 Roma, and we have $16 Ariel. They're bigger bags, like that one. I do not have Zelle. Does anybody here have Zelle that has money on their CA that could send it to me? That I can trust, that I know?
And then someone can... That was me! Oh, that was me! Yes, I'm loose. You haven't got an egg yet. Okay! Gotcha! Me?
Does anybody have Zelle? Yes, we have Apple Pay. Kayla will get the payment from you and then she'll send it to me. She'll inbox you. So you might have to follow each other to do that. I hope none of that powder went on my car.
Your deal, Spin. Your Spin. Over here, look.
Hang on, didn't somebody send for dish soaps?
I slipped off first round. Look, it's this right here. Look, Austin, you know, so might as well just go ahead and hit full power. Full power. No. He's got full power for you.
Kayla, comment so she can get a hold of you, boo. Or somebody pin her comment. Only mods can do that, boo. There's Ajax, there's Ariel, there's Pines, a mango and hibiscus Lysol, a Snuggle fabric softener, and some dish soap. Yeah, I'm safe. I'm fine.
I